Hello friends, today I am discussing how to invest in Binance. First you need to enter Binance and there is an option on the home page. You see wallets. There is a funding option. You have see, there is in funding option there is deposit, withdraw, transfer. If you need to invest in Binance, first you need to enter P2P. In P2P there is a buy and sell option. First you need to understand what is buy option. Buy option is you need to buy some USDT coins or BUSDT coins. These are the basic and these are the unchanged throughout the year in cryptocurrency. USDT is normally present in this 75 to 80 range, and BSD also 75 to 80 range every year. So you need to invest stable coins. First you need to buy BUSDT. So just look which seller is the selling at cheapest price. So for cheapest price in buy option, it shows on top of the page. So just buy and enter your Indian currency. For example 2000 or 3000. Here minimum is 10,000. The seller is only selling at minimum 10,000. So if you need to buy 100, came back to the same page, and here there is a filter option. You can filter for which amount, how much amount you need to buy. For example 100, just 100. Yes, there is option. There is some of the sellers who are willing to sell at 100. Buy, enter amount, buy with zero fees, and next page is to pay payment page, UPI or bank transfer. You need to select either one of these payments. So select UPI and send. Next, transfer, notify seller. If you have transferred, just to transfer, notify seller. Once the seller receives your money, he will send you at 15 minutes maximum. He will sell 15 minutes maximum. After that you need to came back to the P2P home page, and you need to transfer the funds in funding wallet to spot wallet. In funding wallet you purchased is USDT. So select USDT and maximum you have purchased over 2 to 2 to 2 or 10 USDT. So confirm transfer. So these transferred coins will update in home page. There is you have a wallet option and there is spot. So if you purchased coins has been in wallet, so it will absolutely shown in spot wallet. There is a BUSDT, BNB. So this way. So after that you need to enter markets, and if you purchased USDT coins, so you have to purchase pairs. You have to purchase any doggy coin. So doggy. So there will be doggy slash USDT, doggy slash BUSDT. And you have only purchased USDT coins. So you need to select the perfect pair, doggy slash USDT. So doggy slash USDT. After that you need to enter buy method and enter how many USDTs you have. The available balance has shown here. Available balance has shown here. You need to enter 5 USDT. So buy. That's the. If you need to select the payment purchase limit also, you have to select this purchase limit also here. Purchase, if the present market is running at 12.95, you want to purchase at 12 or 11 rupees, so you need to enter 16 11 11 16, it's 12.11. So if the price touches to 0.16 dollars, the sale, the buy will automatically happens. So don't worry that everything will happen at quicker. Thank you, friends. Tomorrow I will discuss in if you have any doubts, please mention the comment. I will rectify your doubts through next videos.